Hi, I'm Raj from HammerX Traders. Trading can be tricky, but we are here to make it easier with the tailored strategies and market intelligence. Let me show you what we can do together. Join our Discord group, HammerX Traders. Today is June 17th, 2024. We had a really fabulous day today. We took about 14 trades, and I think we had one stop out in LGVN. In fact, we made money in LGVN, and then we bailed out on a long. So overall, a pretty fabulous day, kind of norm for us. You should check us out, HammerX Traders, on Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and our website. Reach out to us. We would get you some free trial. And come check us out how we work out with the almost 88% winners. So coming back to our trades today, we're going to talk about BRXT. So we took this BRXT. Our level was actually 237, and I'll show you why very quickly. So if you go on a daily, this was the level right here, drop in August last year. Of course, I had gone over here. This would have been the most fabulous level right here, 375. It wasn't to be. Let's go back on 1 minute, and you will see a rejection candle. So we got into the rejection candle right around here. Oops, let me get my pen to work. There you go. So should work out right there. And then we covered right here. And so we took a 2.49 entry, and then we covered at around 2.16, and it was a pretty fabulous 2.16. That means we made about 23 cents. No, that would be 33 cents. So 33 cents, and that was about 12%. An easy win for the day, guys. I'll take you to the next trade. So next trade was MEDS, and it came like right around 10 o'clock in the morning, and you can see we had identified 1075 area, anything above 10, and you can see we took an entry right around here, an average of right around here, which is about 1050, right? So you got 1050 entry, and then we took our cover right there at 840. Pretty fabulous, 22% plus. So that was another easy win called MEDS. Really solid day. Like I said, we had 14 trades, and we did really well. So guys, next trade we had was MBIO, and we chose to go long right in the pre-market itself. Boy, did we get hold of this one. But we did not maximize it to where we could have made millions, right? I'm just kidding. There is no such thing as millions. We are not Hello Kitty. We believe in 10 to 12% profit all day long, as many times as we can get. So I'm going to share this with you guys. We had this area right here. Very early, I got it at 117 cents. And then I started covering at 24. And I was out 17% of my size at 0.44. 70% of my size I was out. I kept taking profit here. I took it all the way to 0.72, which was about, so if you do that math, it was about 350%. However, I would say I made about 100, maybe 115% as an overall win. But pretty massive, pretty nice stuff, nice day. So what made us go long? Come check us out in HammerX Trader. We are majority of time shorts, at least 7 out of 10 times we are short. So what made us go long on this particular stock? That too very early. It was a 13-cent stock, had a news, and we did a couple of longs, and we tend to do about 4 to 5 longs, which are pretty massive. LGVN was our long from 150. Week before that, I believe it was NXLP or something like that. We had 100% growth in that one as well. We had a week before that, 3 weeks ago, we called it ASST, and I still tell you ASST is going to go over 15, and it's going to park at somewhere around 20, and it's right now today at 11, and it started at 325. So we have a swing channel. Majority of the time we're short. We are intraday traders. You're going to get 7 opportunity to short, and you're going to get about a couple of longs here and there. So this happened to be one fabulous long. The ticket is called MBIO, and it was a fabulous play. I actually knew, I told my room, if you were listening to me live, I said this is going to go 103, but you have to get out at 93 and 97, and guess where it went? 97. I had several calls, like I was just talking about Meds earlier, right? And Meds did something very similar as well. If you go back to the Meds, I called that in the room to build your position at 1020. Boy, did we do this. I said add. We had seen that like 11 something was the stop, and we called it, and look where we covered. Oh my gosh, it was really nice. So you have to come check out our room live for us to tell you how well we do this and how we do this and why we do this. We teach you, and we also take the trades live. Guys, back with another trade for today, June 17th. It's called TRNR. And look what we did with TRNR. So TRNR, right away we went long right here. We saw this opportunity in the morning. Initially in the pre-market, when I woke up, I actually woke up and I started trading right around 7:30. I was waiting for the nice setup. I happened to see a long, so I went long at 460. And if you see this, 530, and the stock was up around 60-65% or something like that. So I took a profit on a long right here. I could have shorted this. I did actually short it in another account. Happened to get a really nice the sideways at 465. 523 was my entry, and it was 465 was my cover. But a nice little long, basically about 70 cents and about 14% win right there. But guess what? We turned out. We said we're gonna short at 780, and you can see 780, and then added more right here at 830, and we covered it right at 750. So entry around 8.20 average, and cover at 70 cents. So we made about 0.70, and that is about 12% win as well. So and actually we covered it much later as well on this, and this was right at the start of the day. So we went from long to short. How cool is that, right? Pretty cool. We didn't touch it in between here on this particular account. We didn't touch it anything right here, as you can see. Only once the rejection was confirmed, we started getting in. But that was a small position. We thought that we're gonna have this all day long, just like right here. We thought we're gonna have all day long, and we did. Pretty nice trade. Guys, our next trade is LGVN, and you know, like I told you, this was the only stop loss we had. So we went short. We added at 280 and then built our position and got an average about 284. So we got an average of 2.84. Let me pin this out. 2.84, and then we covered right at 2.56, and we made about 10% right there. However, we try to go long, right? When the market opened, we went long right at 3.03, and we were looking for this breakout area, and we were thinking that we're going to get about 365. We're going to make about 15% on a long. There was an offering at 235 on LGVN, and that's when we went short, right? And then we went against the grain, and we said, okay, it's gone high enough. It's going to probably break this resistance, and it's going to get into this area right here, 360. But it didn't happen. We did pretty good to get out 2.84. So not much of a loss. We lost about 19 cents, and we gained about 28 cents. So that was my only loss. And whatever, 19.9. So we ended up positive in LGVN, but LGVN has been our swing long also, where we went long at 150, and we're still holding position for a swing long. So great day, a fabulous day, guys. Today is June 17th. You want to learn how to trade. You're struggling for some time now. You want to get into profits, and you want to learn at the same time we do this in Hammer X Traders. You can join us in our Discord room where we trade live. We have really cool members. You can look it up, and they had a fabulous day. I'm going to talk about that pretty quick as well.